Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna be talking about the problem on Infiniti G35 Nissan 350Z and Infiniti G37 either. So if you have an issue for the code P0165, so that means the fuse box has some issue. We're gonna show you what's the issue exactly, and you can fix this problem by yourself. You have to take it no mechanic, no nothing, because a lot of people they blow fuses and issue and nobody knows what's the issue exactly. So in this video, we're gonna show you what the issue and do it step by step. We're gonna fix this issue and never have this problem. I have it before in my other car. I fixed it, but the problem, and you put no videos on it. So this is what I'm gonna show you in this car. Even this car doesn't have this issue, but I'm gonna show you what's the issue exactly, because I've been asked for this code for many mechanics and no one know what is the problem exactly. Until I found one mechanic, he's a specialist in Infiniti. He showed me what's the trick, and I did it on my car and I have no problem anymore. So stay with me until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like that we can show you more tricks. Stay with me. So guys, for this problem for Infiniti, and most this problem happen is the rain, water. When you take it to the car wash or something, like go inside to the fuse box and you go mess up your fuse box. How does that stuff happen? It happened because you see all these leaves, they go there. And there is a section down here. You have to be free. Make sure there is no leaves on sides, like that. When the water coming from the windshield, we go throw directly to the floor. This is what I'm gonna show you what's going on there. So first thing we have to do, have to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the first one. We're gonna disconnect the second one right there. And we're gonna remove this plastic out here. Let's remove this plastic. Pretty simple. Just take your time when you do this job. Let's remove this clip. Here we go. And we're gonna remove the plastic cover. So this plastic cover has to come out. There we go. So we're gonna remove the battery from the place. There we go. Put the battery on the side, and we have to disconnect this box over here. Let's put some flashlights. So this box here, I have to remove it to be reaching the sides while you need to work on it. Stay with me. I think it's gotta be rusty. Yeah. So I don't think so. We gotta be. Can remove it. Let's see. It's rusted. It's rusted. I don't think so. We gotta remove it easy. So underneath of it, there is a bushel like this one, like that. It's gotta be covered with the leaves. And what happened? We have to remove all these leaves underneath of it, and make free the line was the place the water can go in, because what's happened? The water, when the leaves is there, the water go to the lava on the top. So this place is gotta be full with water. This what the battery, see, is rusted. The water, see here, is rusted. Rusted means the water reached the lava over here. This why they mess up the box, and that's where you get the cold, and it start blowing up your fuses. So I forgot my my extension to reach other bolts there, but it's rusted. So I have to remove this cover here underneath, and you have to remove all these leaves underneath of it, and like that, when you make it free, it's gotta be fixed the problem. So after we remove all the leaves underneath of the battery and the fuse sides, so we gotta make sure we clean everything right. And after that, we're gonna buy some fuses. We're also gonna buy the same fuses we have in the box, blue, white, the yellow and the red sides. So we're gonna remove all that because there is corrosion, and we have to buy a grease, the grease for electronic. Like that, we gotta apply the new fuses with this grease. Like that, if there is the corrosion, you gotta fix the issue. And you have to reset the ECU. Make sure you disconnect the battery. I gotta show you the process is easy, and make sure you put the OBD and reset all this code. And after that, you're gonna have no issue. Finish the video until the end, because I add another video to show everything what I did, how to change the fuses, and it's gonna help you a lot. I got some fuses. and at the same time I got electronic degreaser, so I gotta change all the fuse in the car because I never did it before. So what we gotta do here, so we gotta remove this one here, this bracket, okay, remove this one and remove this one in the back to reach the box for the fuse. It's up here, guys. This is for the G35 350Z. Okay, I have to remove this one. It's gonna be hard a little bit and put it. Okay, and I have to change this fuse for this side too. So I'm gonna remove all the blue ones, red ones, and the yellow ones. So we're gonna switch all that, and we'll start from there. So after what I gotta do now, first thing is first, disconnect the negative battery sides, just for safety. And we have the fuses here. So this is number 15. We have, how many number 15 we have here? So all of them, we're gonna be change them and put new ones. So what I did right now, I put some grease connection on the sides. I open all the fuse, and it's better to do one by one if you want to change the fuse. Like they remember what each one, what the sensor take. So we gotta start from the top one. Remove the top one and put a new one. Put on the sides. Get a new one like that, and put some grease to get better contacts, and put the sensor back, the fuse back to this place. It's better to change them one of a while, especially this is 2004, never been done before. So let's go for the second one. Look at this one, how it's bad, guys. You see how it's bad? This is why I wanted to change them. Get the red one, put some grease, just to have a better contact. Okay, and the second one. Oh man, really bad, guys. Look at that. Put some grease again. So if the fuse like contact is not right, guys, this can cause you a lot of problem in the car, because there is not supposed to be. Here we go. Sorry for the video because I make just by my phone. One second. Oh my god. So the fuse, guys, all of them is bad. So it's better to change them, all of them, and especially do one by one and put some grease to get a better contact. If there is any corrosion inside, you still have contacts back and the car will run better. And just do one by one. Take your time when you do the job. There we go. Do the second one again. There you go, wrist contact too. There we go. side, the second side. Start with the red. I know this is brand new, I just changed last time, but I have the sets, how to change everything. Put some grease. There we go. That's stuck. Okay, stuck.
That?
Yeah. So okay guys, so I changed the fuse for the whole tank for right there, and I did change the fuse for this one too. I still have some fuse out here. Maybe I go do it from the inside the car, see how have to be done. And look at that guys, all the fuses is bad, really bad fuses guys, really bad condition of fuses. So guys, look at this fuse. The issue we have, look, is bad contacts. So if you have issue in the car, if all this fuse, even is not burned, this bad contacts can cause you a lot of problem in the car. The car doesn't read properly with the injection or O2 sensor, everything like this. What I showed you last time. I changed just the fuse from the place, and the car, the code, the speed doesn't showing up anymore, and I have to turn my car.